Coding back functional 1 problems require to understand lambda expressions. To do that, we need to check Java functional mapping. Java functional mapping here shows us the replace all method and how to use it. So for this problem, it uses, if we're trying to double every single integer in the list, and to do that, we can do dot replace all and then draw this dash and arrow times 2, and then return nums. So replace all and lambda is very useful because without this, we need to use loops, and this is just a lot more complicated than before because we have to make a new result list and get every single integer from nums and then multiply by 2. However, the problems with replace all and lambda is that we cannot change from a different type to a different type. So we can only go from int to int or string to string. To do that, to do from int to string, we can use Java functional strings, which is here shows we do dot stream and then dot map, this like the same as before, and then to get the actual list we do dot collect and whatever you want. So here we do collectors dot to list, but we can also do collectors dot to array list or something like that. And that's what we need to know for the next problems in functional 1.